How to make a second YouTube channel in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to not go to the YouTube app, you have to go to the Chrome browser, and then you have to search for the youtube.com. When you search for the youtube.com, and I am saying you guys that this tutorial works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. So the another step is you have to for the Android user, you have to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you can request the desktop site. And for the iOS user, you can request the desktop site by clicking on the two as in the top left corner, and then you have to click on the desktop site. And after requesting the desktop site, what you have to do is you have to zoom in and towards your profile picture, and then you have to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. When you click on your profile picture in the top right corner, you have to click on the settings. When you click on the settings, here you can see the this is my channel. It is showing me this is my channel. And if you want to create a new channel, it means create another channel, then there is three option. Here you can see the second option, create a new channel. You have to click on the create a new channel, and when you click on the create a new channel, here it is saying that create your channel name, and you have to add the channel name. Let's see, I add this channel name, and then you have to select this box, and then here you can see I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. And then you have to you can uh, understand the privacy policy and YouTube's terms of service by clicking on this, and then you have to click on the create. When you click on the create, and then your YouTube channel is creating, and then here you can see the your YouTube channel is creating. So you have to wait until it loads, and then it is loading, and then here you can see the and here you can see the my YouTube channel is created. So that's it, that how you can create a YouTube channel in 2020, create a second YouTube channel in 2021. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.